Does the developer know Chinese or something?
Let's go to the forest.
Okay, he literally sounds like somebody who's holding his nose. Like, let's go to the forest. Like, are you kidding me right now? Another ad? Are you kidding? Okay, first of all, why are his eyes green? Okay, there's already something going wrong. First of all, his legs are too short, his arms are too long, his eyes are green, and he has the biggest rectangle. Let's just go ahead, and I wonder what's going on there? Anyway, let's just, I don't know what's going on here.